Alright, so I'm back with another video, and this time we're gonna be learning about the Jquery method chaining. So I give every one of those li ID of 1 except the last one, Honda Accord. I didn't give this one any ID, right? So let's go to Jquery or our script, and we're gonna choose the li, right? ID is not gonna be 1, and we're gonna say height. Where did I go? Where did I make the mistake of? Oh, I just made a mistake over here. Now it's gonna work. Alright, so can you see that? Honda Accord 2001. Right, it's just hiding the. You remember, guys, when you do this, just add the semicolon. Hide, and now we're gonna do delay. Delay, we're gonna do 800 milliseconds, and with that, this the perfect example of a method chain, right? This is a method, this is a method, and we're gonna add a fade in or fade out, whatever, doesn't matter. 1000 millisecond. Let's see. Why is this not working? 500. Oh, alright, now it's working. Fade out is a method, but I don't know. Let's just use the fade in for this example. But as you can see, we just added 3 methods, and all 3 methods just, this is just the perfect example of chaining. It's just saying jQuery object is holding the reference to the li that doesn't have an ID of 1, and do the method hide, then delay for 500 milliseconds, and fade in for 1000 milliseconds, right? Alright. So that's it. That's called method chaining. Is easy as hell. I hope you guys are getting the information that I'm throwing out there. It's really simple. jQuery is really simple. And next video, I'm gonna be working with checking a page is we're gonna check if a page is ready to work with. The document is ready to work with. So this is all for today, and I'm gonna be making the video on the next one. And thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.